Hello everyone. There's a creation contest that we can win a cash or a diamond. So this is our event. So if you have total 100 views, you have 1.8 million. Yes, if you can reach that views. So there's rewards that you can share. You have a draw that you can get this draw. So how to make a share? Fill up if you want to fill up here. If you want to this video, you want to platform, and inside you link here from your YouTube, put your video link in here. So and what your video language, you can use this. Right, I'm going to use my video language as English later. So that's for all. Thank you.